Hey everybody, back for another video. Wanted to give a book review on the Stock Traders Almanac. This is for this year. We will discuss that part. But I have two of these. And have you guys heard of this book before? If you have, talk about it. What do you like about it? What do you not like about it? How much did you pay for it? Because the price changes quite a bit. But this is 2019's edition. This is 2020. So let's just jump right in. 2019, I thought this was great. And let's go into the details. Thank you, Jeffrey, for this book. And Christopher, appreciate it. With this book, it's nice. It gives you, of course, just basically historical information of volatility in past months. And of course, historical information is critical to a lot of investors. Unless you're just a day trader in and out, you don't care, then I wouldn't bother with this book. But it talks about 10 best and worst days by percent and point according to the month, according to the day, week, and so forth. So it is pretty detailed. Of course, they did all the work for you. I do like that. I do like that if you want something in your hands that talks about, of course, the historical information, so forth, and you just like to have books on hand instead of just going on the internet all the time, this is not bad at all. So they have tons of icons. There's a bear and a bull icon, bear bull icon, and that goes over calendar page signifies favorable trading days and the S&P. So favorable and not favorable. But again, I used this last year. This was really good. I like to think it was pretty accurate for me. Again, it gives nice charts and graphs according to the month you are trading in. Of course, it tells you what holidays, what days are closed, because I always forget. So here is a weekly calendar. I do like these. I use these a lot with journaling and just putting in like what I traded. Of course, I didn't buy it till towards the end of 2019, so I didn't put anything here. But a lot of people, from what I've seen in reviews on Amazon, a lot of people buy these and they just like to read off of these just from like past events. So if you don't even want the 2020, some people buy last year's. Would I recommend that? Do if you want to, but I personally wouldn't do that. I like to have things now. So talk about quarterly changes. In the back of the book is probably my favorite. It has a survival checklist and other checklists for your investments. And let's see here. There's a portfolio at the end of the year. I wish they had more of these in this book, and they don't. There's only like 2 pages for like real. I mean, people who trade a lot. It's not a lot of paper. Also, the paper is kind of cheap. And speaking of cheap, let's talk about the price. So this is, before we do that, this is 2019. 2020. If you bought this year, I'd like to know your opinion. But for me, of course, it's not accurate. We are, if you have lived to see this video, congratulations. But this, again, I paid for I paid for $50 for this book. And for the 2019, I paid, I think it was like $30 or less. Of course, it was towards the end of the year. But do I think this is $50? I think it's a great book. I'm not sure, for me personally, I'm not sure if I would pay $50 for this. If you wait a month or so, the price goes down. So just go ahead and get it when the price is down. Unless you want it then and there, or it's a gift for someone. I think this book is really good if maybe you work with a hedge fund or something like that. But if you're just trading and you just want a book on hand, talks about past history and volume, this is not bad at all. So yeah, if you're familiar with these almanacs, go ahead, enjoy them. I like them. Again, whenever I want to get, I'll probably buy one just when the price gets lower. But if you've read this book, or if you have one, again, I'd love to know what you think about it and how it helps you with your trading and or long-term investing. If you're getting valuable information that works for you, go ahead, get it. So yeah, I like it. Again, for 2020, not so accurate, but we're all trying to survive. So anyways, wash your hands. Hope you like this video and gives a thumbs up, subscribe, and please comment below what you think about it. And if you want to go ahead and get one, yeah, tell me what you think. Thank you for watching. Talk to you soon.